Yo, 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 what do I think are the best veggie burgers? One's made with beets. Yep, beets. And I don't even normally like beets, but I like these beet burgers. They hold together really well. They don't dry out. They travel super well. I like to eat them even cold with a little bit of mustard. So I'm making these beet burgers this morning, and I'm gonna take them on a plane with me to Colorado for some skiing. Yay! So I'm going to cut up about a cup's worth of onion. This is a red onion. You can use a yellow onion. I'm going to use a red onion. Saute the onions a little bit to make them not as potent on my tummy when I go to eat the beet burgers. So I'll saute these with a little bit of garlic. Water saute them. I am going to also make my life a little bit easier today by using pre-minced garlic in a jar. So I'm not even going to chop up the garlic. All right, I've let the onion and garlic mixture cool. Put that in the bowl, and the rolled oats, which are going to be in binder, and the beets. I didn't chop them up or anything, just the beets right out of the can, drained. Some ground flaxseed, that's going to be an important binder. Some apple cider vinegar to give it that little bit of a kick. Wake it up. I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne. Use the heat of your choice. Some people like the red pepper flakes. Those are too much for me. So I stick with cayenne, something that's ground up, and I go on the easier side. But you add the heat that you like. Also, public service announcement. Label your cayenne. On more than one occasion, I've used cayenne instead of cinnamon, and it's not a good move. Totally forgot to add the black beans, rinsed and drained. Add those too. Stir that up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take this mixture and put it into the blender and mix it up. This will give it that nice consistency of a burger. Hold together really well. I'm going to do this in 2 batches. I'm looking for it to be a fairly mushy consistency so it holds together nicely. Oh, I like that. This is a nice mushy texture, and I'm going to take it out of here and put it into another bowl. This is absolutely the texture you want. It's like thick cement. It's going to hold together really well and be moist and hold together. The Holy Grail of the Veggie Burger. All right, so let's get putting these puppies into the oven. You could fry them in a non-stick pan. I don't have a non-stick pan, and I don't use oil, and I just don't have any success trying to put these into a frying pan. So I always bake all my veggie burgers, no problemo. So let's get these ready to go into the oven. Oh, this is a great consistency. This is fantastic consistency. I'm so excited. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Boom. So let's plate up like a dozen of these. My oven is super small. I have a countertop oven, and so I'm gonna do like 6 at a time. These are starting to get almost too sticky, so I'm gonna get my hands a little bit wet. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Now they're not sticking to my hands so much. Did I mention I love the consistency of these suckers? Oh. Remember when you were a kid making mud burgers? It's basically like that. Only these are delicious. I'm gonna let those puppies cook on 350 degrees for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip them over and cook them for another 10 minutes. This is how they come out. Nice and moist and delicious. They freeze well. They travel well. You can eat them cold, or you can heat them up. You can eat them like a burger on a bun with all the fixins, or you can be weird like me and just put hummus on them and a slice of whole wheat bread when you're out on the ski slopes. I do hope you try making these. They are my favorite veggie burger. I'm Colleen Marie. This is Create a Great Healthy Life. Enjoy. Take care. Bye.